Hey, the taser! Hey, the taser! Oh my God! I am so sorry. I didn't think it would hurt so much. It's pink.
It didn't feel pink.
I didn't know it was you. I thought I was being raped.
That's not what rape feels like. Did you sleep on the subway?
I had nowhere else to go, and I'm too afraid to sleep outside on the street.
God, you're spoiled.
Next stop, Great Point.
Ugh, get your stuff. Come on, I'll take you to my place. But hurry, because I have to be in the city in 30 minutes.